my lovely people, my wonderful people. Hello, I greet you now. I greet you now once again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends wherever you are looking. God bless you now. I greet you now, not too much. Not too much, honestly. Not too much, too much, too much, too much. God bless you now. I thank all my subscribers, my viewer, my supporter, my fans. In any way you are supporting me in this channel, God will bless you now. God will grant you your heart desire. God no go shame you now. If now ask for one, thousands will come and help you now. God will bless all of you now. I just want to use this opportunity to say happy weekend to you all. Happy weekend to you all. I thank you now. So, now welcome to my channel. Welcome to my TV once again. You are welcome. Now welcome. If you know say you never subscribe, today now your first time, you just see this video, just the waka pass. Please, my lovely people, don't fail to hit that red button. Press the notification bell in case anytime I upload new video like this, you will be the first person to notify. Give the video like. In any way you feel support this video to grow, please support your sister. May God bless you in Jesus' name. And when you take the support this channel, that hand will never know poverty. That hand will never lack in the name of Jesus. So today I want to discuss little things again, because I always tell you, we learn every day. In this channel, we learn. Nobody dey perfect. Even me, when they talk to them, I'm not dey perfect. We all are working towards perfection. We are learning every day. Every blessed day, we dey learn. So this topic now, free your minds. Learn how to free your minds. No matter anything in life, no matter what you hear, say people talk about you. Learn how to free your mind. Learn how to free your mind and learn how to ask questions. Learn how to ask questions. If you see say something don't they chop you, something don't they chop you, this thing don't they chop you, don't they bother you, concerning what people talk about you, or concerning what person say, this person say, now you be do this, now you do that, and you don't say you don't feel bear that thing for mind. Some of you go they kill your mind, they carry unnecessary grudges for that person. You don't know whether that person talk or not being talking. Just learn how to free your mind. Now understand, learn how to free your mind and ask questions. It's very important there. Very important. Because more you dey store grudges for your mind, more you dey give yourself more problem. And if you be say wetin you dey store for mind now, wetin that hatred now when you dey your mind, when you dey store for that person, say yeah, this person do me this. If you be say not that person do you that, or maybe that grudges now when you dey your mind, now you say hey, I hear say this person talk my matter like this, you can't talk like this, can't talk like this. If you be say no be so the person they talk. Learn how to free your mind. Learn how to ask questions. Learn how to confirm. Ask the person. No be quarrel, no be fight. If you know say, you know if you ask. No they see the person they carry face as if you and the person they quarrel before. Because the person will be surprised. Why you go they see me they carry face? Or why you don't change your mind towards me? I not do anything. You now go they think say this person do me something. And that person now go they think say he not do you anything. Because you don't hear say they say this person talk like this, talk against you, or this person do so thing concerning you. No. If you know say like me or as me they do my things, if I see say something don't they bother me towards somebody, I will ask the person, would they quarrel? What thing they happen? Why you change? Why you they do like this? Why people when know me, people when they around me, they know that's how they talk. I know they feel hide my own. That's how they talk. Maybe from there it goes, you go say, sis, okay, no verse. Or not be so, not be me do not be so the thing to happen. Then you will see here my own side. Una understand? Learn how to free your mind. Not the gather word. Not the gather word put for mind. Not the gather word put for mind. Una not the gather word put for mind, e no good. Because you get one thing when I understand for life. One thing when I understand for life. Wetin you dey think say na this person na I talk am. If you be say no be that person talk am. If you be say na matter na I bring matter before that person chook mouth put. And the person when carry go tell you say see matter when this person talk. He not tell you how the matter take start. He just only cut am for up. Say this person say you no good. This person say you be this. This person say you be this. You go just only judge only waiting the person talk. Even the one when not talk, you will add mangi, you will add salt, you will add everything. You go put that for the person head to make friend with you, to condemn that one. Then you will come say, hey, this person talk of my matter like this. This person talk of my this one like this. This one, wait till I do this person when you come gossip me like this. You know go talk. Okay, if na person like me, I go ask how the matter take come. Before the person carry come tell you everyone on earth say see wetin me I talk. How this matter they start. Wetin bring that matter when this matter they reach like this. You understand? Because people sabi wan condemn person so that that person go dey use bad eye dey look, you no see am. Na my matter na you dey talk o, you no see am. Whereas no be so you dey talk am. Whereas no be your matter you dey talk. Learn how to free your mind, please, my people. Learn how to ask questions. To dey keep grudges, e no good. To keep grudges, e no good. To keep grudges, e no good. Because you when you go dey keep am, they keep am, you know your mind many things. Because one day you go dey think bad thing. Wetin you want do the person? This person don't do talk my matter. I go do this person like this. I go do this person like this. But you don't know whether not the person talk am. But you walk to that person, let that person know say I dey hear say this that oh. Wetin come dey bring all this one? Then he go explain your parts. He go explain. This topic take me back home. That time when we dey grow dey come, there was this girl. We be three. We sit down. We for the walk. We sit down. One go carry matter come out. We don't be friends, so just that we dey work for the same place as you know. He just carry matter come out. The matter when he carry come out now, your girlfriend, your own girlfriend matter. We be three girls when sit down for them. Me, I'm not too. They not be my friend. They not be my enemy. We come work out, good money, all those kind of things. We'll greet. She understand. He carry this person, your own girlfriend go carry the matter. He put her for table. He put her for table. He say, now so this girl no good. You know how many this one he gets. You know, you can't begin to talk. He condemn. I can say, this person na your girlfriend though. He talk about the matter. When they talk, the other girl no throw spit. He come quiet. When you don't talk finish, because now wow, if this girl they really do all these things when you talk and na your friend, you know good though. Why you not talk to her? Like the other girl say, no put mouth for their matter. Two of them are the same. That girl be like say that one really know them well. He said, not put mouth for this matter. Two of them are the same. Not put mouth. That one just talk am. I like that girl. That girl, if they talk out, if they talk boldly, not the fear face. He said, two of them are the same. No, just carry your mouth, go there. Just leave and see talk finish, let her rest. I can say, okay, I say if not that one, you talk to her, if what they do now, your girlfriend not good. Instead of you will just carry matter, just come like this. Well, two of them are friend, we don't know how to start. So just talk to her. And rest without knowing that. Thank God say that girl say man no put mouth for the matter or say na so me the matter I take talk and reach. Without knowing that he don't carry, he reach whether he girlfriend they get people bad. He reach whether he girlfriend they. He can't tell her, you know so girl when they work for that so place. He say, if you see the way, and me I don't know that in girlfriend though. That is why some people know they use their brain. I don't know that in girlfriend. And they see say two of them just they pass. Me would never sit down one day say we they talk. Hi, we'll just throw hands. Me would never sit down, not even know her name, nothing. That not concern me. He just go meet the girl. If you see wetin this person talk of you today, no name wey not call you. He say you too do this, you too do this, you too do that. He can't tell that one finish. That one can say, what if they bring down nonsense when this girl carry my matter talk like this? Without some people now they use their brain. If na me I will ask this person when you say he talk my matter in narrator like this, me would never sit down one day talk. I never tell her my story. You never know anything about me. How manage you? They know everything about me when you can't carry her, can't tell you when be my girlfriend. Me, I'm a fair reasoner like that first. Or I'll fair ask you, say, wait till bring that topic before she talk like this. But some people know the reasoner. But I gave that girl hand because the girl speak out. That's why I said, Mona, learn how to speak out. Let us not say the girl not speak out. You will get that grudges for me. Say, see, wait till me, I talk. In the evening, after we don't come back for work, I don't even know as the girl they know my herself. I just say make I just relax more. I just see the person they knock. I can't open door. I surprised the person when be say, me would never sit down one day greet. I can't the thing say, now today the friend bring matter come. Now today he can't come my house. I can't open door. The girl sit down. He can't greet me. I greet her. Because what he carry you come my house this evening because I don't know. He say whether me know him. I say I know if he say I know you, I know if he say I don't know you. And they see you they pass and they wave you. He call your name, saying as so name, that's okay. He say he want to ask me question. No. I say which question be that? He say why me carry matter put her for center of table. The gossip and say na so you do this, na so you do that. Whether me did the way they do all those things, I say Jesus Christ no. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I say no wonder. The other girl tell me say no put mouth for all these people. Matter two of them are the same. Now I say I can't when you talk come you want for the vibrate now say mellow down I beg. Now my house with day. Explain to me everything what they tell you as it happen and I will explain to you what it happen. The girl can't talk. When I talk finish, I can't say who tell you. He called that girlfriend name. I say no problem. I know you before. He say no. Me and you don't talk before. He say no. I mean to know all these things now when you talk say the girl tell you about you. He say now that one I can't tire him. Now I say now waiting you not fair think before you come. I say now waiting you not fair think before you come. I say I sit down on my own no. As if na lie. So person like this, I can't call that one name. I say, did there. You feel go find your house too. As they find my house, go ask her what happen. Now your own girlfriend, this your own girlfriend. Now when you talk, go. Now he carry your matter. All this thing when you say me talk. Now waiting talk. Now he can't change and say me talk. For you to see me to get enemy or to see me they get bad belly, say see waiting this person talk. Waras not be me talk. Waras you don't ask me. Now the girl can say now she talk am. I said, I carry your matter come out. Even when you carry your matter come out, only word when I be talk say, if now you they do this thing, because me I don't know you, I don't know am. Now I carry come out. If now you they do this thing, you no good though. Why you not talk to him? I said, now the word when you don't quit me or talk come out for mine. Now you don't go say, no pull out to two of now the same. I said, that's what you get they talk am. Make her not pull out. He can say, okay, auntie, no verse. Say he be the verse, he not fit sleep as the girl just come. He go the girl house. He come tell and say he just they come back for work. See, I need to gossip am. He can say he they see me, but me would never talk one day. The girl speak out. He can say make her no verse. Make her no verse. He be the verse. He say no wait, make the break. He must come find. He can't say where be my house. Now he go tell and say see the place where me they stay. He can't tell and say make. I can't tell and say, no, not be so. You see this life, person when they say, person talk like this, now in the fact they bring matter. Now to another person, now he can't talk, now he will can't tell the person, to make that person, they get bad belly for you. To make, this thing don't cause many problems. Many people don't use that and get hatred for no reason. Many people don't use that and keep people for no reason. You will say, hey, na me you tell this word. No worry now, I no go ask you. You go the plan for you for Bele. You go they follow. You no go no say he don't get evil mind. They follow you. No, we learn how to speak out. If you speak out, what the person talk concerning you? If now you wrong, tell her sorry. No come want anything for your body. I be no verse I talk your matter like this. So not be the way, not be so I be talking more. As far as you don't be like this, see what bring matter. Even though you're not allowed what bring matter, I be no verse. Next time you use your number 6. It's very important for you to free out your mind. Now the lady can't go back home. He can't go ask the other girl. When he ask that one can say, hey, he talk him. He can say, now your girlfriend, no. You carry your wallet, go meet that girl when you sit down on you. You come, you go that girl house. You go that girl house. Go ask him. Wait till she not talk. Now your girlfriend carry your matter come out. Oh. I see they carry and come out. Say we talk put like that. Not be this one way for the vet, not be so for the vet. Be like me don't know. I say two of them are friends. Me they see her in the way when they do two of them are the same. Now because you know live and two of them are the same. So you know 1 year me they judge because two of them are friends. I make her because they so to achotu. Otu ya achotu. Ezigbo to achotu. Ejo to achotu. So as far as the two of them are friends, it comes to two of them are the same. They cannot carry your matter come here. I saw the matter issue. So these things, since then I learned my lesson. I hardly carry somebody issue come out, unless if you carry come out. If even though I won't even reply you, I won't even talk. I know the way my limits when I go talk because I'm not for problem. I know my limits. But some go just say, maybe they'll come carry tell you and say, now so me can't do this, and now so me can't talk of you, or now so this is it can't talk of you. You now, you can't use that they change character. Maybe you and the person be the greet way for I see before. Now no can't the greet way. Maybe if you and the person now, you get one thing or one thing, one after the rapport way together, you can't they withdraw. Or you can't they find one way to get back belly or in one way to it's not good, eh? It's not good. It's not good. We should learn how to speak our mind out. Quarrel not they pay for anything. Hatred not they pay for anything. Biting not they pay for anything. Bible say, what shall it profit a man? After gain the whole world, at the end you lose your own soul. Let assume anything happen today, tomorrow. You can't they say because of that person bad belly when you get. Now he can't lead you to where you're not supposed to lead you to. Maybe you just did righteous or everything. You did perfect every way. Why you not ask her? You ask her, you not commit anything for your body. If now she still talk they will tell you sorry. I don't mean her like this. If not be she still talk, you will still tell you, okay, we will leave this matter. Now so you rich. Now so you rich. Now so you rich, my people. So that is my topic today. Learn how to free your mind. Learn how to free your mind out. Speak out. Learn how to speak out. When they bother you towards somebody, learn how to speak out. Not put out for your mind. By the time they learn all these things, they learn all these things. All these grudges go, they come off our minds. All this hatred, all this biting go, they come out. Because all these things, gain no day. There is no gain, eh? So that be the just little topic I bring come. I don't want to waste on our time. Because we dey learn every day. If me offend any person in one way or the other, make him forgive me. He or she make him forgive me. Because me, I don't get any person bad belly for mind. When you tell me, say, see, oh, this thing I feel do for you, I not feel do for you. Not be me get your life for you. I don't say, okay, don't do. It don't come off my mind. Now so my own matter rich. Now so my own matter rich. Not be the one you come to they attack the person physically and spiritually. Wait till you never know whether I ain't doing or not being doing, or whether I ain't talking or not being talking. You go the attacker in one way or the other. It's not good. It don't make sense, eh? It don't make sense. Because this thing don't destroy many homes. This thing don't destroy many relationships. It don't destroy one way or the other. Many friends don't use to keep many friends. They'll say, I don't hear saying na my matter, or I don't hear saying na you say me. Okay, wait till me I not do you put that for my head. From there, this hatred, once you don't start small, you can't develop to wait till you not expect them to develop put. Wait till you not suppose. We should learn how to free our mind. It's very important. God bless all of you. As many that has come across to this video, God bless you all. More they put all these things to practice. More they learn. Every day they learn. More they put that into practice. So you understand? Quarrel not get gain. By biting not get gain. Keeping malice for person for waiting. You don't know whether not the person do or not the person talk am. You not get gain. You understand? Even though, even some parents they say they do unto their children, when they don't learn how, they don't know how to speak out, tell their children, say, what you do me, pay me. They go, they do conny for their children. In all these things, you don't get gay. You talk out. Why you do this? The person will say, okay, it's okay. Now forget. Life goes on. Learn how to free, learn how to talk. Because more you free yourself, more fresh air they enter your body. More you they shine, but more you see the person go they scream. Either you they chop yourself, not me they chop myself. You they chop yourself. That be the thing. You they chop yourself. Me, if person offend me, I'll go meet them. I'll tell you, say this thing when you do me, I don't like him. He don't finish because as if they bother me, I don't talk him. He don't finish. And so you reach. People when know me, they know say na so you reach. I don't. Now so I bet not verse. Okay, I'm not mean like this. As if they verse me that spot, I'll go ask you why you do this. Why? Okay, say you don't. It's okay. Keeping malice is not the pay. You know, you never get who they say because he keep malice for years. Now the malice can't build that one. Now the man, even they destroy many things. Because, for instance, now make I talk one thing now. For instance, now they keep malice with this person now. And this person get with him, they find when I for go ask him. Oh, he get with him, they ask. I say, God, me and this person, all they talk. Oh, hey, I for ask him this thing, and maybe now for help me out for this thing. You see, say you don't get gay. See you and the person they talk with, they free your mind. Hey, sister, oh, brother, oh, this thing I know say something they happen. How you do your own? Please tell me now, put me through now. I know as I take do my own. Say you they keep malice, you know if you ask the person how you take do your own or how you not take do your own. You not see him. You not good. You not good. One day you must get what you will go find for that person's hand. One day that person must still get what you will come find for your hand. Now all these things they do say I not get what they go do for yours or I not get what they go do. Now pretend with they pretend. One day you must day. One day. They say one day, big man, they must get what you go find for poor man house. If it not be money, if it be words of advice, if it be one thing or the other, big man must get what you go find for poor man house. Poor man too must get what you go find for big man house. No matter even though you don't get everything finished, your next party never gets. But one day you must, one day, because of the hatred by biting or the vex for the person, you will pretend as if you are not send out what you even get at. That thing they chop you. It not good. It not make sense. It not make sense, eh? It not make sense. That's how I talk and reach. When I do it, my lovely people. God bless all of you in Jesus' name. I'm gonna learn how to free my mind. And if this video, I not want to offend anybody. But if you offend anybody, forgive me, not vex. You understand? If you vex anybody, you will think I say maybe I not do it because of any person. I just do them out of waiting they happen, waiting I don't experience. And make me do them. You understand? If you see say the video vex you, or your mind they tell you say this video I do it because of you. I not do it because of you, but forgive me. I don't want get babele for anybody. I don't want anybody to get babele for me. You understand? Now so the matter reach. One love keep us together. Every day we dey learn. More they shine our shine. If you don't say you never subscribe, please, before you watch this video finish, don't fail to hit that red button. Please, more support each other. God bless all of you in Jesus' name. Bye-bye for now. Enjoy your weekend. Happy, lovely weekend. Bye.